Hey guys, and we're back again with another video. Now in this video, as you can see, Maya's got the blindfolds on and she is going to be attempting to eat something in this bag. If not everything in this bag.
Eat.
Eat. Huh? Alright. If you can't eat, you have to place whatever it is in your mouth.
What do you mean place?
Just have to hold it in your mouth.
For how long?
For about 5 seconds. No? No?
I don't know, it depends what it is, I suppose.
If you can do, put it this way, Maya, yeah? I have 5 containers here, yeah? With 5 different things. If you can do one of each container,
okay,
I'll give you £50.
£50?
£50 per container.
Okay. How many? 5?
5 containers.
So I can make some money here.
Actually, £20.
No, you said 50.
container.
No, what are you talking about? You said 50. You can't now go back. You said 50.
The way my bank account's set up, like...
You little cheapskate.
You won't even do it anyway. So, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on those notification bells, and let's get forward.
Let's get forward.
Let's get forward, you know?
Okay.
It's not foolishness. Let's get on with the video.
Let's get
my bag of goodies.
Bag of baddies because you will be giving me
guys.
£50 per thing. It's disgusting, whatever it is. Oh, come on. I want to take my mask off.
Yeah.
Why are you making noises for? What are you doing? You're making me feel weird.
Fair enough.
Guarantee that.
Fair
I'm
enough.
going to put my hand in my mouth so you can't even be playing that game.
Fair enough. Fair enough. So, you ready for the first one?
I wouldn't say ready, but I'm here.
You can take the blindfold off.
That's not going in my mouth.
What?
That is not going in my mouth.
Oh,
what
Maya.
the fuck?
Take the lid off.
No, don't take that. Oh my god.
Come on, let's take the lid off. They're only worms. They're only worms.
No.
Huh?
No.
Maya.
No.
£50.
That's fine.
50.
I'll do it if you do it.
What am I getting out of it?
I'll do it if you do it.
£50.
You're getting the fact that I'm doing it. Don't play games, play. Just put it down, babe. Put it down.
Should I pick one up for you?
Go on then. Gloves!
Ooh.
You're supposed to be holding it in my mouth, but you can't pick that with your hands. What do you mean? What are you putting gloves on? You best put one
Look,
in your
I've got a
mouth.
hole in my glove as well.
Oh, they're all moving underneath each other, like lifting each other. Oh my god, I'm catching cramp because I'm tense and everything. Babe!
Stop. Let me put him down. So this is going to be Maya's
I'm going to be sick.
bucket. £50. Ugh.
No, I feel sorry for it. I don't want to do it.
Maya.
This is not like waxing, no.
If you do this, yeah?
Where's its bum?
I don't know. Come on, Maya.
It's thinking about its friends. It wants to go back.
Yeah, it stopped. It's still, no, it's playing dead. It's playing dead.
Oh my god. Babe, I don't think I can do this. I think you best take them back to the shop. I don't think I can do this.
Next time you're soaking in the bath, yeah? You might be joined by...
Babe, don't even play that game. That's not fun.
Hey, you pick it up.
I don't think so. Pass me the glove. I'm stressing out. I think I'm about to cry.
Oh my god. can do it. She's literally about to cry. Gosh.
Oh my gosh.
If you do this.
Oh no, I can't do it.
Myah, can I just say this to you? Can I say this to you? If you're acting like that with these, you're gonna die with what I got for you. Baby. Okay, we're gonna stop. Yeah, no more. You can't do it. You're having a mental breakdown. Oh, baby.
Oh gosh.
I love it though. This is still going out. You do it.
Huh? You do it.
Do what?
You hold it in your mouth.
I just pull up in the parking space, snapping in the dash out through the night and day. Go there party, I tell her baby right this way.